Tired of messy shipping on TikTok? Steal this Amazon trick to make it effortless. So what's been happening is if you make a TikTok seller shop, you can have Amazon do all of the shipping, and Amazon will even ship it in a blank box, right? And it's very easy to do. So you can see this item right here, 3 sold, and guess who did all of the shipping automatically? It was Amazon. So the first thing you need to do is create a listing on TikTok. Make sure you have the listing ready to go and you have some quantity in stock, just like we did here. And notice this SKU, this seller SKU. What you're going to do is make sure this SKU is the same as your Amazon SKU. So you can see this listing, we have FBA inventory in Amazon, right? We have 47 units. And then here is the SKU. That's the SKU right there. Make sure they match up and they're the same product, right? It's easy to change the SKU on TikTok, so you can just change it to whatever you want, but make sure it's the same one as Amazon. That way, when somebody orders from TikTok, Amazon knows, oh, it's this SKU. Okay, we'll ship it out, right? So that's going to be the first thing. Once you do that and you have the same SKU, the listings are set up, you have Amazon FBA inventory, it's time to set the connection up. You're going to go and Google map my channel right here, right? So let me just see. And you can see map my channel. Once you're on map my channel, then it's time to click on the first link. It's actually mapmychannel.com. And it's going to look something like this, where you can click login. And once you click login, there's going to be a sign up button right at the bottom. And then you just sign up. Once you sign up, you're going to connect your TikTok account first. And then the second one you're going to do is, it says connect your ERP right here, connect your Amazon account next. Once you set that up, it's going to look something like this, where it's going to have your order come in. And right when an order comes in, it's going to be connected. So as long as you have that SKU, then what's going to happen is TikTok is automatically going to notify Amazon. Amazon's automatically going to ship it to the TikTok customer, and it's even going to put the tracking number in. And this platform, Map My Channel, does it all for you for free. You can see you can view the order on TikTok and then view the shipping on Amazon. You can even go to integration right here, and you can have the order sync, inventory sync, tracking sync, manage your mappings if you want to have different shipping speeds. Click the edit button right here, and you can make sure you set it up where Amazon does the shipping and Amazon ships it in a blank box. Super important. So that way they don't receive an Amazon box and they're like, why did it come from Amazon? I bought it from TikTok. Things like that. So you can have all of that properly set up, which is completely awesome. Also, if you go to plans right here, you'll see, scroll to the bottom, it's free. Right? There's a free plan, and pretty much it seems like as of right now, you can stay on the free plan as long as you want. It says max orders, but as of right now, like, you can just go over it. But if you need to upgrade, you can, but hey, it's free. So it's a huge win in my professional opinion. Now, if you did need extra help setting this up, we do have a course in the description, but I know you're smart. I know you can figure it out yourself. I literally just told you how to do it. But if you need to go to our website, right, you can go to services, courses, and you can scroll down, and we have a TikTok course. It actually teaches you how to sell on TikTok, and it also teaches you how to do this super in depth and how our clients made over $1 million using TikTok and connecting it to Amazon. Like, pretty much it's an awesome course, so feel free to try it out. But hey, this is pretty awesome if you wanted to test it out, and that way Amazon can do all of the shipping for you, because right now on TikTok, it's really difficult to get fulfilled by TikTok approved, right? So just keep that in the back of your mind. Now, one thing that I didn't mention is that you do need to change your shipping settings for this to work. And what you want to do is make sure it's on. So you go to shipping settings in TikTok and just make sure seller shipping's on. Because if you turn on something different like TikTok shipping, they won't give you the full address. So Amazon won't know where to ship it. Just make sure seller shipping is turned on, right? You can just click switch option easy as 1, 2, 3. But that's it for today's video. And if you want more TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.